got invited to an appetizer party. It's tonight, and so I'm making appetizers while he is trying to fix a solenoid switch. Hi, I'm Mary Beth, and this is Stephen. Together we are sailing through life on our sailboat Harmony with our dog Bernie. Join our adventures as we explore the East Coast and beyond by subscribing to our channel. He's trying to fix the how do you say it? Solenoid.
It's just a switch. A solenoid is a switch.
Right, but he's trying to fix it because...
Well, this isn't the solenoid. This is the switch that opens the solenoid. So the solenoid is at the tank.
Right, you showed me before.
In and out.
You showed me before.
Yeah, so magnetic. There's a magnetic coil, and it pulls a metal pin up or down.
Right. But this is the switch or something,
Yeah,
and this we're having problems.
Yeah, I think it just.
So he's fixing it so I can make appetizers tonight because
This was corroded. This is really easy to clean up. It was black, like that. But these aren't really easy to get inside here. I need like Coke or something like that.
Coca Cola.
Yeah, Coca Cola.
Well, we could probably go buy one down.
Everything carbonated?
No, but we can go buy one at the grill. Yeah,
Wow.
it's only a 5-minute walk. Because I'm making appetizers.
I could take the dinghy.
You can take the dinghy. So, what?
So you can make appetizers.
I'm making bacon wrapped, goat cheese filled dates. Is that what they're called? And hopefully he'll fix the solenoid switch so we can cook them. But while he's doing that, I'm filling these dates with goat cheese.
I'll get some Coke, I guess.
He's getting
Coca Cola.
He's gonna go get some Coca Cola to fix the switch.
Yeah.
You have your wallet?
Yeah.
You're gonna buy it on good looks.
Not good looks, yeah. Yeah, because and maybe you can get rid of this corrosion here. Maybe not with Coca Cola.
Okay.
Everything's strong.
All right, I'll continue. We have the nice music in the background because the band is playing at the Marina Grill.
Coca Cola. It's not just for drinking. Actually, eat out your intestines, your stomach. It's got carbonic acid in it, which sounds really scary, but basically, when you dissolve carbon dioxide, and water, an acid proton drops off, and you create an acid-base reaction. And anytime you carbonate something, like
Champagne?
Coke, yeah, probably, yeah. The sodas and things like that, especially Coke, you have carbonic acid in it. And if you ever drop a penny in carbonic acid, you'll see how Coke, you'll see how it works. It just shines up the penny for you. So I'm trying to do that with this. Actually, it's working. See? Well, can't really see, but it was black, totally black. Now it's getting nice and clear.
And he dropped the can.
I'm dissolving the rust, essentially, on the metal. So there's an acid-base reaction going on right now.
It's bubbling.
Yeah.
You want to put it in our new glass? And you can see it?
You can see it.
Yeah. Huh?
Go on.
Yeah, put it.
Tell me where I can fit. It's more copperish.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually fine.
Is that's it?
Not too
We're going to
exciting.
put a little bit in.
You have to see it because it's dark. And if you're thirsty, you should have a sip.
After you just put that connection in there.
Yeah, see much.
Looks like whiskey.
See a bubble. See a bubble? See how it's bubbling in the middle? Yeah, see bubbles?
Yeah.
You have an electrochemical reaction going on there.
What's the reaction?
You've got, it's copper. Yeah, it's probably copper. So you've got copper going from one oxidation state to another. So it's either, I think it's gaining a proton. And then you have carboxylic, the carbonic acid donating a proton, I believe. And when you do that, electrons are transferred. And when electrons are transferred between molecules and between things, you have electricity. And if you run that electricity, that's basically how a battery works. You run a wire between them, you can get a flow of those electrons through the wire, and that's how electricity works. One of the ways,
Now,
a simple way.
when it stops bubbling, is that when you know it's ready?
Yeah. Go a ways. Ideally, I could just put it on something, but I gotta sit here, so it'll take a while.
But the cord is there.
Yeah.
You want to put it on your knee? Or you get you a straw and you can drink it at the same time.
Not be your cocktail. Cocktail. What's prevented?
And the boat is moving a little bit right now.
Boat's rocking, don't come a knocking. Oh, save me. Ooh, ooh. You could speed up the reaction if we were to apply a current to it, but we're not going to do that.
But how would you do that?
I wouldn't. Because it's hooked up to the boat. But
So, if you disconnected the wire completely, and then would you?
if I ran a voltage between the two wires, if I turned on the switch,
Oh,
but I'm not going to do that.
that doesn't sound smart when you have one of it, liquid.
wouldn't
Like
do
that's what we're not supposed to do.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I would do it in a more controlled manner. I got to take this one off too.
You have to do a different connection too.
Let's clean them all up.
All right, but we're supposed to be at the party in 20 minutes.
All right.
But cleaned up so it'll
Work.
work. Did the Coke work?
Yeah. A little bit. Most of it's time just grinding dirt, and that's not going to do anything. If it can't get to the middle, it's not going to work. Let's clean up as best I can.
So I wrapped all of the dates that I first stuffed with the cheese. And now I am making the honey to drizzle on top. I put some herbs in there. I'm going to stir it together. And get another hand. Haha!
So I think it's just a bad connection. I tightened the crimps to them, so wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
All right, good. So I can turn on the.
Yeah.
Actually, will you turn on the oven?
Well, let me secure it first.
All right.
Back in home.
I'm gonna put some walnuts kind of in between and pour some honey on them.
Our oven kind of crapped.